Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play with the Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled The Gift by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells that TARDIS time-and-spaceship lands on a strange planet. The local audience, the Oods, want to make a present for a fellow Oods, but they can't seem a way to figure out how to manage everyone's budget. Help the doctor find a system to decide the contribution of each Ood. This puzzle teaches you greedy algorithms. To win this game, I need to find the optimal contribution that minimizes the higher contribution. I use Math.floor function. The function returns the largest integer less than or equal to a given number. There are also following functions available. The Math.ceil function returns the lowest integer number that is bigger than or equal to a given number. The Math.round function returns a value retrieved from a number rounded to the nearest integer. Let's dive into the code. Read the initial values, a number of Oods, money and wallets. Create a simple summing function. If there is not enough money to pay, print impossible. Otherwise, calculate the current sum for each wallet and print it. Choose a maximum value between saved and current one. Let's try. Oh, one typo. Try again. Now all tests are green. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at Don't Panic. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.